Hello everyone, this is Thomas from Zaxcom, and today I'm here to teach you a little bit more about your Nomad mixer recorder, specifically Playback Control. Inside of the Nomad, you have the ability to play back files that you physically recorded in the partition that you're currently in. If you haven't already done so, let's go ahead and turn on our Nomad. When your Nomad is booted up, go ahead and press the menu button and go down to Playback Control. Now for the purposes of this video, I've actually put in a primary card that already has audio on it, just so I can show you this. If you don't have any audio recorded in the current partition that you're in, you won't be able to use this menu because there's nothing to play back. So let's start at the top of the menu. You'll notice that you have the transport control, just like the home screen, in the upper left-hand corner. You will also have time code. You'll notice that it's stopped, and that's because it's physically showing you the start time code of when you hit record for the file that is currently ready to play. In our example, it's ready to play segment 1. If I wanted to change to a different segment, all I have to do is push the menu button in and scroll to a different segment, and then push the enter button to cue that segment. Go ahead and press play. You will notice that the time code and the transport control turn green to just give you a better inclination that it's playing back and not in a different mode like stop or record. You will also notice that it has a line with a diamond on it that scrolls from left to right. This will tell you how long the file is and where it physically is in the file. You also have the ability to go to scrub and go up and down to be able to move the playhead forwards or backwards in order to get to a certain spot in the file. To stop the playback earlier, go ahead and press the stop button. If you don't press the stop button, you will notice that the Nomad automatically goes to the next segment and continues to play until it runs out of files. The other information in this playback menu shows you the time as well as duration of the file, metadata, which includes scene, take, and note information, and the folder that this file is currently in, as well as how many files are physically recorded in this folder. And last but not least, a meter at the bottom of the screen, which will tell you how many tracks are physically in the file that is prepared to play, as well as the levels for track 1, which are currently the mix in this example. So when you're done looking at this menu, go ahead and press back to back out to the home screen. The next thing that I want to show you is that you don't have to go into the playback menu by using the menu button. If you press and hold in the play button, it will automatically take you to Playback Control and start playing the most recently recorded file. This is a great way for you to do a quick check to make sure that everything was okay with the file that you just recorded. Then you can press the stop button and press back to exit to the home screen. Congratulations! You have now learned how to use the playback control capabilities of the Nomad. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.zaxcom.com. Once again, my name is Thomas Popp, and in our next video, I'm going to teach you about the ZaxNet setup menu. Thanks for watching.